Welcome to the RE/MAX Hallmark East Toronto Real Estate Market Report for January 2015. Let's take a look at some of the East End Toronto statistics for the EO1, EO2, and EO3 districts and see what this is all about. As you can see from the map, these three east districts are east of the Don Valley Parkway, with both EO1 and EO2 extending south from the Danforth down to the lake, while EO3 stretches north of the Danforth from Broadview all the way east to Victoria Park. So let's look at what's happening in EO1 first of all. The average sale price year-to-date in January was just over $658,700. That number represented a 10.1% increase from 2014. With 32 home sales in the month, the numbers were down 8.6% from last year, while the listing inventory dropped insignificantly. The ratio of sales to listings dropped back to 52.5% compared to 56% last year. That number has moderated quite substantially over the last few months and probably reflects a bit of buyer fatigue and reaction to the hefty average price increase. The average days on market came in at 21, which was 8 days slower than in December. In the EO2 TREB district, the average sale price year-to-date in January was just over $716,800. That sale price number represented a 6.7% increase from last year. With 26 home sales in the month, the numbers were down 19% from 2014, with a 7% decline in listing inventory. The ratio of sales to listings came in at 51% compared to 58% in 2014. And that number puts EO2 into busy seller market territory. The average days on market was 21, 8 days faster than in December. In the EO3 TREB district, the average sale price year-to-date in January was just under $626,200. That sale price number represented a modest 5.1% increase from 2014. With 41 home sales in the month, the numbers were down 7% compared to last year, with the listing inventory of 61 homes being higher by 17%. The ratio of sales to listings came in at 67.2% compared to 85% last year. The average days on market was 20, 2 days faster than in December. It's always hard to judge how impactful the weather is on market activity during the winter months, except to say that if it was balmy outside, sales would certainly be up. This year the numbers were down in all three districts compared to 2014, while inventory levels were up only in the largest EO3 district. Expect everything to pick up by sometime in March as we get through this polar vortex weather. To get a picture of the overall GTA real estate market, let's look for a moment at the average sale price this January compared to last year. We can see from the chart that the January 2015 average sale price is up by 4.9% year over year. Here's a little trivia for you. Since 1997, the market only dipped 1 year, in 2008. And even if that decline is factored in, the average price increased annually by 6.1% over that time. If you take just the period between 2010 and now, that average price gained 7.5% every year. So what's the best way to step into Toronto's real estate market? The best first step is to have a casual over-a-coffee conversation with your favorite RE/MAX Hallmark professional to discuss what your buying and selling options might be. Remember to check back here in early March for our February East Toronto Real Estate Market Report.